Alright, so here we have a 1937 Emerson 2250B, and we're gonna try to get it running. You see, we got some strange stuff, almost looks like peanut butter. I think someone actually spilled peanut butter on it. And honestly, the wiring looks okay from the outside. I mean, there's this, I don't know what that is, but I guess don't need to worry about that. The only problem is it's bent. We're gonna unbend that. And I've cleaned one of these off before. The paint is, do you mind? Okay, so the paint is actually pretty good on these. So you can, oh no, not another. Mind you, look at that. KC-46 Pegasus. I wasn't expecting to see that. Alright. Back to the... My god, that thing's loud. Yeah, we got the type right here. Seems to be a little sideways. But... So, it's gonna have to be sideways, I guess. Not very... I think these are like a goldish kind of copper color to it. We'll have to see that when we get it cleaned off. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this piece right here. That's dangerous. Like, watch this. And these are straight up metal too. That can cut you. So I definitely, if you have one of these, you want to keep it away from children. And let's just get these off. Right, oh, alright, there's one. Alrighty, getting a little messy. Alright, now we just remove it. Oh. Alright, how do we, oh. That was easy. Alright, what now? Scrape off that peanut butter, I guess. Is there any way to take that off? Is that honestly, I don't know what the heck that is. I don't know how to take that off. Anyway. Might need a good scraper for that. That is stuck on there. Yeah. That is pretty stuck on there. That ain't good. I need to get it off. I'm gonna use the flathead bit off of my little screwdriver here. And it's been working pretty good. See, this stuff has to be old. How does this happen to me anyway? How do you get... I don't even know if it's peanut butter. Yeah, get it under there. Free! Oh my god, look how shiny it is under there. Come on. Get off there. Don't want to scratch the paint at all. We're just gonna have to work on that for a little bit more. Alright, so we got all the peanut butter off. And watch this, ready? That's been so much better because there was actually some peanut butter jammed in between there. Now I got it off. It spins nice. I don't want to face this towards the light, actually. It's really hard to see it. Oh my god, these things are heavy. Okay. There we go. That didn't help. Anyway, I can see it. Oh god. 360, I guess. Oh, hold on, what is this? Alright, that's interesting. I don't know what that is right there. I'll just keep cleaning up. And how do you take this out, though? Do we need to take it out? I don't think so. Also, I don't know if there's any way to open this thing. Get it in it. Oh, no, there is. Alright, so I guess the next thing to do is give it a nice cleaning. Let's do that. See, back in the 30s, they didn't have extension cords. They were the extension, oh my god. Those things are brand new. You're gonna start seeing those a lot more often, I guess. Oh, that's kind of silver, actually. I'm getting distracted. Yeah. Look how long this thing is. This is a long cord, and it's all tied up like that. So let's get the rest of it off. Oh, looks like this peanut butter took some paint with it. One light. There you go. Thank you. Oof. Got it all untangled. We can finally see under it. This thing slants a lot. That can be fixed. Still don't know what the heck that is. Hope we figure it out, though. Let's see. There's the switch. Now, this thing's not like off, high, medium, low. It's just off, on, off, on, off, on, off, on. That's pretty smooth, actually. Barely need to use any pressure on that. I guess this is a cord to the fan, because I guess something goes here. Untangle it. I still really want to know what the heck this is all about. I think this is the oscillating thing. You can, turn it off and on, something. Let's give this, not again. Seriously? Yeah, go back to the airport. Man, I think it's so loud. Hate to be right in front of those, right behind those things. You can't hear them from the front. I guess we're gonna have to have that in the background all the time. Got some cleaner out here and go over it. Got a little bit of rust down here, but higher up you go, it just gets better. So this thing probably sat in water for a little bit of time at the bottom or something. I don't know. Doesn't really look that good in there. Let's try to flash. You see in there with the flash on? Yeah. Not the best look we can get. But from all these little points right here, I feel like we can get it opened, take a look, and clean it out a little bit. Because look at all that dust. You don't want any dust in the electrical stuff. That could start a fire. And I own 2 of those old gooseneck lamps from like the 20s and 30s. And I haven't had any problems with them. They have the original wiring and everything. But this is a fan. They're a lot more high-tech than a lamp, I guess. So this is gonna be it first. Let's get to it. Get some cleaner. Oh my god, it's hot out. Woo! Time to spray it clean. Look at that shine. Pretty shiny. Along with this. Looking pretty good. I think we should plug it in, give it a test. I think before we get that test done, I think we should put that back on for safety. Because I'm not running that thing without that. We're just gonna figure out a way to put this on the best. I feel like we should set it to on right now, so that way I don't have to get up and turn it on from here. Actually, there is no outlet over here. Alright, here we go. I have it sitting on top of another bigger fan, ironically. And we're gonna test it out. Got the plug in over there, let's do it. Ba-ba-ba-ba. Looking better. A lot better. As far as it opens, set it in there. Ready. I'm shaking. Alright, plug it in like this way. Oh! You seeing this? It works. Look at that. Oh, that works good. Look at that. Let's take it inside.
Well, what did I see? What did I see? Then you sing it. What did I see? Then you swing it. That funny old tune will drive me to ruin. It came along and made me a slave. Now I'm craving things that I should crave. It came along and made me a slave. Now I'm craving things that I should crave. Get it,